Hello, I'm Joyce Wangui from Kenya, Murang'a County. I'm a lady from Aina Giving. I knew this through Carmen Westbrook. I knew her through Facebook and through her posts. I loved the group. I joined her and I have been learning a lot through her. Let alone, she sent Sharon to me. We started to have a group of ladies and she has been giving us lessons that are very good. They are charming. We love the lessons. I have learned a lot. I've been growing mentally through those lessons. I want to start a project of rearing chickens that are under layers. Through the layers, those chickens, I will be selling the eggs and the manure from the chickens. So I'll be using it to farm my crops. I love Aina. I love the group very much, and I hope we are going to do more when we are going far. Thank you.